Today, we will be talking about careers in Merchant Navy. Well, if you are one who loves traveling all across the world, if you are okay and comfortable being in the midst of sea for long durations, and if you love adventure, this is a career which you may enjoy. After all, what Merchant Navy is all about, let me tell you. Huge amount of commerce in between different countries in this world happens through ship. So a merchant navy person basically facilitates this movement of containers from one place, from one sea to another place to another sea. Now the question is how to become a merchant navy professional. What are the eligibility criteria? Well, one thing, as a student of class 10th, you should be very clear. If you want to become a merchant navy professional, you should opt for physics, chemistry, and maths. That's given, that's basic. And there are various entrance examinations followed by interviews. There is particular physical fitness criteria. Once you go through all that, there is a ship training course which is to be done, and only then you are inducted by any private company or a government company as a merchant navy professional. So what kind of courses are available after class 12? Yes, there are various courses which you can opt for to become a merchant navy expert. You can do BSc in nautical science, you can do BTech or B in marine engineering, you can do B in naval architecture, offshore engineering. Even petroleum engineers or ocean engineers and civil engineers get an opportunity to get into merchant navy. For that matter, any kind of an engineer, one who can do the maintenance and operation jobs in a ship can become a merchant navy professional. How to join merchant navy? There are various entrance examinations. This GP rating which I said is basically for class 10 students. If you want to get into become a deck cadet or deck operations person, so this course has to be pursued by you. And if you want to get into engineering kind of a job role, you have to do a BTech. Even you can qualify through JEE mains and advance and do an engineering, or you can also appear for a specific merchant navy entrance examination which is conducted once in a year. Well, what are the different kinds of job roles, job profiles in merchant navy? A wide variety of job roles, starts from deck operations, people, the support staff, goes to engineers, administrators, managers, and even to services, catering services, facility services on the ship. So it's a whole gamut. It's kind of a village in a ship within the sea. The packages are quite lucrative. Most people opt for merchant navy only because of the package. At a very low level, you can start with around 15 to 20,000 rupees per month, and it can go as high as 10 to 20 lakh rupees per month also. But mind you, one thing is to be remembered: merchant navy, a married person cannot join merchant navy. They want, be it a male or a female candidate, they only entertain bachelors. Definitely, merchant navy is a very interesting career. There are a lot of institutions. If you want to know, you should please, if you want to know which are the institutions, a few list is being shown on the screen here. For a detailed list, log on to www.myaglakadam.com. You will get a complete list of institutions there. Well, yesterday a father and son came to me for a counseling session. They had a disagreement. The boy wanted to become a merchant navy officer, and father said no, he's not good for that. I said, let's go in for a psychometric test. We did a psychometric assessment. You know what a psychometric assessment is? It maps your mind on the basis of your personality, your aptitude, and your occupational interests, and tells you very clearly as to what is your fitment level for a particular career from a long term happiness point of view. So if you're also interested to make a career in merchant navy, or for that matter any other particular specific career, log on to myaglakadam.com, get a psychometric assessment done for yourself, and the report shall be instantly mailed to you on your email ID. Try it once. Wish you all the best. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video and do share it with your friends. Happy career to you.